In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Chat and create a new space for your team or any group you're collaborating with. This is a helpful way to keep all your communication in one place, which can greatly enhance productivity and clarity within your team. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Google Chat website by typing in chat.google.com into the address bar. This is the hub for all your communications and where you'll be managing your conversations and spaces. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. On the left side, you'll see your list of existing chats and spaces. This is the section where you'll find the option to create new spaces, which is exactly what we're going to do next. Now, locate the sidebar on the left where you'll see the section labeled Spaces. Beside this, you should notice a icon, which represents additional options. Clicking on this icon reveals a small menu. From this menu, you'll choose Create a Space to start setting up your new collaborative environment. This option is great for organizing specific projects, departmental communication, or even casual groups like study or interest circles. Once you select Create a Space, a window will pop up prompting you to name your new space. This is an important step because the name you choose will be visible to all members, giving everyone a clear understanding of the space's purpose right from the start. You might opt for something straightforward like Marketing Team, or project-specific titles such as Project Alpha. Even more casual settings might just be named Study Group. It's entirely up to you and what suits the space's intended purpose. Additionally, you have the option to choose an emoji icon. This is a fun way to personalize your space and make it stand out among others. Consider picking an emoji that represents the mood or purpose of the space. It adds a nice touch of personality and makes it instantly recognizable to everyone involved. After you've settled on a name and chosen an emoji, simply click on the Create button. This action finalizes the creation of your new space, and just like that, you've set up a dedicated communication hub within Google Chat. Now, you're all set to start inviting members to join, share ideas, and collaborate effectively in your new space. Remember, this centralized method of communication helps everyone stay on the same page, facilitating smoother workflow and ensuring nothing important slips through the cracks. I hope this guide has been helpful in setting you up for success in Google Chat. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.